only have 3 goals though. Yeah.
How many points do you have?
3 more.
You need 3 more?
Yeah, this one, this one.
When you get 3 more, how many are you going to have?
10?
And then are you going to win?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did. I got 8 points again.
You got 8 points?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish I was that good.
Some more of these. 10, 9.
How many more do you need?
10 and 9.
Did you get another one?
Yeah, I got 9.
You got 9? Oh, that's really cool.
One more. 10. Good job. I got 10.
Off the rail.
I got it off the rail.